Okay, so what I did is I opened up our workbook. You're going to want to do the same. And before you can do anything, you want to make a copy of this workbook so that way you can edit your own copy. All right, so you're going to hit File, Make a Copy. And then you can just, I'm going to just put my daughter's name here since this is for her and hit Make a Copy. Okay. And then you can go ahead and close the other original copy because this is the one that you're going to edit. Now, we are going to create your AI twin, and this workbook is going to walk you through it step by step. So, we're going to start with step one, which is creating your AI twin in FAL.ai. The first thing you want to do is choose a trigger word. Mine was Neola Thorpe red. I just named mine that because my original photos that I trained on, I was wearing the red dress. So I'm going to just come here and I'm going to erase this and I'm going to choose a trigger word for my daughter and we're going to go with Asia T. All right. T. Okay, so let me just bold this so that way you can see as I'm working because I want to make sure you're following me step by step. The next thing is we need to make sure that we have all of our images in a file, which you should have already. And then we want to rename all of our images to the keyword and number. So, for example, for Asia, it would be Asia T1, Asia T2, Asia T3. All right. And so this is the file with all of Asia's folders. And as you can see, they've been renamed. But I'm going to show you how to rename them just in case you don't know how to do this. So you're just going to click on the photo, right click. On my computer, I have to actually hit show more options and then rename. Okay. But you actually might be able to just right click and see rename. Once you click rename, that's how you're able to come on in and rename and hit enter. And now you've renamed your file. So if you notice, it says Asia T, Asia T1, Asia T3, see? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these are the 9 photos that I am going to be uploading into the system. All right. Now, number 4, you're going to go to FAL.ai, and I went ahead and added the links to this doc so that way you don't have to get confused in the software trying to find the different apps that we're going to be using within the software. So you're just going to go ahead and click this link and it's going to open up. Hopefully you're already logged into your FAL account. If you're not like logged in, like how mine is logged in right now, then just take this step back one more time, log into your account, and then click the link, and you will be able to open up right on this page. Okay. All right. Now we're getting ready to train our twin. So you're going to click on add image. Then you'll just go ahead and find the images for your AI twin. We're going to go ahead and click Asia images here. Oh, why is it making me do it one by one? All right, let's do it one by one. And then hit open. Okay, so now all the images should look like this, like so. You are going to type in your trigger word that we came up with, which was for her, Asia T. Okay, and then you are going to hit start. Once you hit start, you are going to see it pop up right here and it's going to say in progress. Leave it alone, let it do what it do, and we're going to move on to the next step and come back to this later. So I'm just going to minimize this and it's going to do its training. Once you hit the button, let's show you one more time. Once you hit the start button, this purple button right here, upload the photos, put in your trigger word, hit the start button. It should say here where it says completed, it should say in progress. And then just minimize this and let's move on to the next step.